Looking for Halloween craft ideas? Check out these 6 cool Halloween crafts. Download my free Halloween plan. Find the link to the template in the video description below. Let's start with a last-minute DIY costume. Check out what you need. What a fun costume idea! Who is afraid of ghosts? Find the template in my plan. Check out what you need. Print, cut, and scare ghosts away. Ready for a Halloween party? Let's make Hulk pasta. You need these ingredients. Let's make mummy hot dogs. Make it with these ingredients. How about cookie bats plus spiders? Love my content? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.